Guys, Austin again at Commuter Cars. This is a 2017 Nissan Titan XD. You can see this one just came in. It hasn't been detailed yet. It's nice. It's got the brush guard. It's got the big LED light bar. It's got LED headlamps, BF Goodrich wheels and tires, full crew cab. It's a Pro-4X package with some nice features on it. These are my favorite. Little short guys like me shouldn't have to reach all the way up into the bed without a little help. You can see it's got all the parking sensors. It does have the four-way cameras, so when you are parking into a spot, you hit the cameras, you can see all four sides of the vehicle. But it really needs for nothing. I think this thing flies through inspection, flies through detail, and we're probably gonna be pricing it up somewhere around $23,900, maybe one of the cheapest in the country. This one does have the leather interior, saddle stitching, full power seats, tilt and telescopic power wheel, locking rear differential, fog lamps, cargo lamps, memory seating, a Rockford Sound System. Somebody put WeatherTech mats in it. Let's see what else. So it's push button start. It's got a trailer brake. It's got navigation. It's got climate control, and it's got cooled seats, which are pretty nice. Here's your four-way camera and your backup camera. It's even got the power rear window. So this is a really nice truck. I like the stitching ingrained in the seats. It's really cool. And if you want to know what kind of owner had this last, he laminated the MSRP window sticker. That's a proud owner. So this truck just seems to be well taken care of, and it is for sale. So come down and see us and come get it.